Greetings, welcome back to our channel Mind and Villa. This video is already posted in Tamil. One of our subscriber told me to present the video in English, so for her request, I'm gonna do so. In this video, I'm gonna present you the recipe of Tapioca Pearls, that is bubble tea. Boba tea has been my favorite drink the recent days. So let me tell you what's Tapioca Pearls. Tapioca is a potato variety, it's a vegetable, and from the starch of tapioca, the balls are made with the proportion of water and tapioca starch, and it's dipped in brown sugar syrup or in honey. Quite a long process to be made. I'm not gonna make my process difficult to have my bubble tea. I just bought it from Amazon. I've given the product link in the description box. I bought boba from the brand Zawaa Foods, and quality of boba is really good and I loved its taste. It is also good with an affordable rate. So I have given the buying link below in the description box. And now let's see the ingredients. And the ingredients are modified tapioca starch, water, acidity regulator, and the permitted food color. The pack contains the nutritional fact of per serving, that's 76 grams. And I got 10 paper straws, a huge straw to drink out all our boba. I have a boba drink only with these straws because little larger than our normal straw. With this I got a recipe book. It has two recipes, classic milk tea, it's bubble tea, and peach boba tea, and today we are gonna make classic milk tea, a simple recipe, and I will upload more boba recipes because I loved it so much. And here is the instruction that how to cook tapioca pearls. We have to measure 3 cups of water for 1/4 cup of boba. To pour it into a saucepan, bring the water to boil over high heat and add boba, and boba should float on the top. Turn off the high heat and to the medium heat. Cook boba for 4 to 5 minutes. Turn off the stove and leave it for 15 minutes. Rinse it with cold water and boba is ready. And now I'm adding 3 cups of water in a saucepan. 1, 2, and 3. And I'm letting it to boil. It's on a high heat. I'm adding 1/4 cup of boba. And now it's being started to float. Let every boba float on the top. I have just made it in the medium flame and cooking for 5 minutes. Let it cook. And now after 5 minutes, I am switching off the flame and closing it for 15 minutes. And now removing, our boba is ready to eat. And I'm gonna rinse it with cold water and we'll show you. And see, our tapioca pearls look so cute and I love this. And I tasted it and it was awesome. And it's time to make black tea. I'm adding 1/2 cup of water and 1/4 cup of sugar. Add more sugar for more sweetness. In this recipe we are not gonna add sugar syrup. And now add any brand coffee powder, 2 tablespoons, and let it brew. Leave it for 5 minutes. And it has brewed completely. Let me filter it and transfer it. You could add green tea also. I will make more recipes with it. And it's time to make a boba tea. I have taken the cooked bobas and adding it in mason jar. Adding 1/2 cup of chilled milk, boiled and chilled. Adding ice cubes. And now it's time to add a brewed tea. I'm adding more because I love tea taste. Mix it well until every ingredients get blended together. And our classic milk boba tea is ready. It tastes awesome. Do try this recipe and give your comments below. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, share the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video. We'll meet you soon. Bye.